Respected teachers and my dear friends, today we are going to present our art integrated project based on the chapter The Diary of Anne Frank. The main aim or motto of the art integrated project is used to art as a tool to teach other subjects.
Anneliese Marie Frank or Anne Frank was born in 12 June 1929. She was a German Dutch diarist of Jewish heritage. One of the most discussed Jewish victims of the Holocaust, she gained fame with the publication of The Diary of a Young Girl, in which she documents her life in hiding from 1942 to 1944 during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. It is one of the world's best known books and has been the basis for several plays and films. She was born in Frankfurt, Germany. She lived most of her life in or near Amsterdam, Netherlands, having moved there with their family at the age of 4.5 when the Nazis gained control over Germany. She was born a German national, but she lost her citizenship in 1941 and thus became stateless. By May 1940, the Franks were trapped in Amsterdam by the German occupation of the Netherlands. As persecutions of the Jewish population increased in 1942, the Franks went into hiding in some concealed rooms behind a bookcase in the building where Anne's father, Otto Frank, worked. From then until the family's arrest by Gestapo in August 1944, she kept a diary she had received as a birthday present and wrote in it regularly. Following their arrest, the Franks were transported to concentration camps. In October or November 1945, Anne and her sister Margot died due to typhus. Otto Frank, the only survivor of the Franks family, returned to Amsterdam after the war to find that her diary had been saved by his secretary, and his efforts led to its publication in 1947. It was translated from its original Dutch version and first published in English in 1952.
Anne Frank was a very sensitive, sharp, and mature girl of 13. Being a Jew, she was constantly hounded by the Nazis. She was living in terrible times. Born in Germany, she and her family had to migrate to Amsterdam to escape persecution. She felt utterly lonely and couldn't confide in others. She needed a true friend before whom she could open out her heart and share her inmost feelings. She found that true friend in her diary, Kitty. She was very emotional. She loved her grandmother very much. She was a chatterbox and annoyed her maths teacher, Mr. Keesing, as she talked too much in the class. But her joke was pleased him very much.
The Diary of Anne Frank is based on the background of World War II. This diary was gifted by Anne's father on her 13th birthday, which she calls with the name of Kitty. Anne Frank is a Jewish girl who is protecting herself during the World War II to avoid the Nazis. She shares her experience and happiness and the tale during her period of darkness. Also, she conceals in the secret division.
The writer finds it strange and unusual for her to write a diary because it will be the first time she will be experiencing something like this. She feels that in the future no one is going to read about a young girl's experience and happening. Still, somehow, she pats this old thinking and thoughts away and writes that she felt in her diary. She, the writer, feels the lonely because she does not have any real friends to talk. She wants someone as a friend at that time, but she indeed considers the diary as her friend and gives her diary a shape of the name Kitty. She feels like the papers has more capacity of absorbing the thumb rather than the people who have problems with the low patience level.
On June 20, 1942, she mentioned how her class was worried about their result. The writer says that the only topic she is doubtful about is mathematics and figures. She, along with her friends, was aiming the outing the students from making a disturbance, but to no avail. According to the writer, the section of class should not pass as they do not take part in any activities.
Anne recollects how the Max lecturer is continually annoyed by her talkativeness. While talking about her grades, he gives her more homework as punishment. The first punishment is to jot down an essay on Chatterbox, which the writer feels is strange. She visualizes the topic and agrees to present tangible statements in support of speaking. She inscribes that she will make an effort to better herself but cannot abolish talking completely. The professor finds it fascinating but allows another subject after she did not improve her nature. The theme is an incorrigible chatterbox, which implies a manner that is tough to improve upon. Since the professor gave her the same topic twice, she runs out of thoughts. She agrees to write her third topic in the pattern of a poem and writes sarcastically. Luckily, the professor takes it lightly. The professor narrates the entire poem in front of the class, and the writer talked uninterruptedly after this. During the 2 years slated in her diary, Anne packs with imprisonment and privation, as well as the tough and difficult problems of growing up in difficult situation of the Holocaust. Her diary depicts a battle to define herself within this climate of pressure. Anne's diary goes without an assertion on August 1, 1944, the edge of a seemingly natural day that leaves us with the intention of seeing another entry on another page. Though the Frank family is deceived by the Nazis and caught on August 4, 1944, Anne's diary, the compliances of a creative, friendly, a little irrelevant, and somewhat normal teenage girl comes to a hasty and silent end. Anne Frank was the reminder of confidence and faith that enlightened us that there is always a chance to make a decent world. Anne was just a simple Jewish girl. During the Holocaust, in an annex, a German helped Anne and her family to protect in his home. However, Anne never abandoned hope. Anne was a greatly hopeful person during that period in the Holocaust. She is an instance of our world nowadays and forever.